What's going on, eBayers and thrifters and online resellers, Amazoners? Dalton, the Sultan here with Dumpster Diamonds. Just wanted to show you a little milestone in my eBay store. First of all, just checking out my videos here. I got 35 or something. I don't even know. 40 videos up now. 141 subscribers, so slowly climbing right now. But here's what I wanted to show you. Here's my seller hub. This might look a little different from yours, but this is what it looks like for me and my, I don't know, the first level account of your eBay account. There's 4 levels to it, and this is the one that I think I pay 25 bucks a month for it or something. And I recently hit 10,000 in sales for the past 12 months. And this just happened today. First time it's ever gotten over $10,000. It's a pretty awesome little milestone for the store. Considering this is just all me on my spare time, and I know I can pump this number up even more. I just got to keep doing what I'm doing. It's pretty motivating, actually. Check out some of these numbers up here. $200 in sales, and then like nothing. What, 21? And then this was like 4 or 5 days of nothingness. 6, 24, 10, then boom, another $250 day. Boom, boom, 20, 40, 70. Boom, another 265, 240, 300, 460. Probably one of the highest days of sales I've ever had. And then another 233 the next day, followed by a couple of nothing, basically. And it's kind of cool looking at some of these numbers right here. I still got some stuff to do tonight, but you can see some of my sales. $1,000 in sales this last 7 days. That's pretty cool. I'm up with 135% this month, 1,000% up from a year ago. So that's pretty motivating. I only got 1 negative feedback right now, and I had 2, and the other one just got taken off for it being old. And the other one was my fault. I think I had the wrong description in an item. I mislabeled it or something. I can't remember. I messed up on it, and they gave me bad feedback for it. So it goes. But this person was like the worst customer I've ever had, and they tried requesting shipping faster than I had on the listing, and then when I shipped it out like normal, they said I was lazy with shipping, and it was a whole ordeal. It was just the worst customer I've ever dealt with, and they gave me a new bad feedback, so I have tried reporting them, and we'll see how that goes. I'll keep you updated with that, I guess, but it's not really about them right now. I just want to show you this little milestone and show you what my store kind of looks like. I got a lot of listings. I'll show you that in a second. I owe eBay 50 bucks. That's how it goes. This is something I'm working on right here. My late shipment rate has been going down since my sales have gone up. They've correlated. So the big deal right here was because I recently moved the eBay store from my house to a storage unit. The time it takes to take the item and package it and print the label and ship it out, I put 2 days handling time on all my items, and I literally just had a message from somebody today that said my item hasn't been shipped out yet, and today is like the day 2 right now. So it's my last day to ship it out, but to them it looks like I haven't done anything in 2 days. So hopefully they don't give me a bad feedback. I sent the item out, and I'm wondering if I should send them a message saying my policy. I don't even know if I want to, but boom, 10,000. 10K on the bay, if you guys know that YouTube store. I only pay for the 250, but I've used them all this month. Let's see how many listings I've got right now. Okay, 359 active listings, valued at $8,850. And I've gotten this number up to 9,000, and I have still yet to list 400 items. I'm still working on that. I had a pretty big roadblock right around 300, and at the same time it's also like I might have to refine a lot of these listings and make them better and get these things sold too. So it's not always about having a lot of listings. Sometimes it's just about having really good listings. Oh, and 16 of these are out of stock right now, so I gotta get some listings done and get those off of my eBay. But I also need to really start auctioning things off that have sat for a while, or just use the auctions in general, because I probably only auction off maybe once or twice a month. So I need to get more into that. And I also need to get a little more into clothing. I just really have rarely listed any clothing. But that's all I wanted to show you guys. Little milestone in my eBay store. It's exciting for me. This is my own little store, and I have not put this into a business yet. So now I'm thinking it's ready to turn into my own business and change this over to a business account. So this might all switch over and look different. I don't know. This is just a regular personal subscription. I got 480 positive feedbacks. I'm not showing my store name right now to you guys. You might find it out, but I just don't want it to blow up everywhere. I don't know. Maybe I'll open it up in the future, and if I start another eBay store, and I'll keep this one open for you guys to look at. But for now, I'm just kind of keeping it private. But I just want to share that milestone. 10K on the bay. 530 sales in the last 12 months. What does that average out to be, huh? Let me see what that averages out to be. Okay, there we go. So right now, this is only at a $19 average per item. And I know they have a price per item a lot closer to $100. Or at least Craigslist Hunter kind of brags about his definitely more at like $100 per item. I don't know what Rally Roots said theirs is at. Something like probably 50 bucks an item or something. But anyways, that's all I got right now. Just a minor celebration in my life. Gonna keep grinding though. I want to get these numbers even better, get the shipping rate back down since I'm got my new office kind of established. Start pumping out a lot more items. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to this little video here, and stay tuned for the next video. And if you have any recommendations for videos I should film or you want to see, or items that you have questions about, make sure to comment below. I'll make sure to get back to you. See you later.